Hey everybody, this is Bill, and I just thought I'd share a quick screencast with you about using a tool called Tiddlywiki. I've used it before in the past. It's a great non-linear notebook, but I was going to use it to show you how to use it for bookmarks. So let me pause this game here, and let's go to tiddlywiki.com. Tiddlywiki is a non-linear personal web notebook that, like I said, I've used in the past. But this works best, this exercise, running Firefox. And then it also uses a plugin called Tiddlyfox that allows us to do some saving. So we're going to click on the link and add it to Firefox. We're going to install the add-on, and then it's going to force us to restart Firefox. So once we restart Firefox, we're going to go back to tiddlywiki.com. We're going to scroll down and we're going to download an empty copy of the Tiddly file. We're going to save it, and we're going to then pull up the location where it's saved. Usually it's in your downloads folder. You just right click and say open containing folder. And we're going to rename this. So I'm going to call this just bookmarks for simple exercise purposes. And then we're going to double click on the bookmarks.html. It's going to open up the new page, and then you can see Tiddlyfox says, hey, do you want to enable Tiddlywiki file saving? So we want to definitely do that. And then so kind of to test things out, we want to just go ahead and change the title of the Tiddlywiki and say call it bookmarks. Then we're going to save it and click the red check, and you can see that the Tiddlywiki was saved. Now we can go ahead and start adding some bookmarks. So let's add a new tiddler. We're going to add a Google tiddler, so type in Google here. And Google's a search engine, so let's give it a search tag, or tag of search, and click add. And then just do an HTTP link there, so http google.com. And then we're going to save it. And if I click on the link, you can see it opens up a new tab, takes me right to google.com. Cool, pretty simple, right? Next, we're going to, let's add a different one. Let's add something with a little bit longer link. This booking.com one has a really long link. So I'm going to copy that and then go back over to our bookmarks tiddler and add booking.com. Add travel for the tag. And then paste the link into this box. And when I click save, you can see that it's a really long, gnarly link. If I click on it, it still takes me to the correct site, but it's just not fun to look at. So let's go ahead and edit that. If I click on the link for wiki text, you can see there's a markup formatting for linking. It's basically just two brackets, a pipe, and then ending two brackets. And there's some other external links and some other formatting that you can learn about, but we're really just going to use the Tiddler way of doing it. So just add two brackets at the beginning, type booking.com, then a pipe as a separator. Then I'm going to go to the end of the URL and then add a double bracket then and save. And now you can see it's all cleaned up. I click on booking.com and it takes me to the same place. Now let's say if we wanted to manage these tags, give them some color so they're a little bit more interesting to look at. You can go to Tools on the right hand side there, click Tag Manager, and then we can say give search. Let's say give search a blue color and say OK. Travel, we can give it a yellow color. Click on the yellow square there and say OK. And now you can see that those changes have taken place in real time and they're live and active. If we wanted to, like, say, search for a bookmark, so we can go to the search box and type in booking, and we'll see that we can click on title match of booking.com, click on the link, and we're taken right to the site. So hopefully this was helpful for everyone that using a Tiddlywiki as a personal bookmark manager. I know there's some online tools and other resources that you can use, but I like using this tool because it allows me one place to store all my bookmarks. I can store comments, and it's all personal to me, and I can search it and I can carry it with me just about wherever I go. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.